Parliament for Central Westmoreland, the PNP's Dwayne Vaz and his driver have been slapped with assault charges following an altercation in Newmarket Oval in the parish on Sunday. His driver has been identified as 48-year-old Michael Merritt, but the MP is denying that he assaulted anyone. Mahiri Stewart reports.
Police reports are that sometime Sunday evening, an altercation developed during a football match at the Newmarket Oval in Savannah Lamar. Nationwide news sources say the 52-year-old man reportedly shouted, quote, "One judge right badness," end quote, during the match when he was allegedly set upon by the PNP lawmaker and his driver and assaulted. He sustained multiple injuries. In a statement on Wednesday, Mr. Vaz confirmed that both he and his driver, Michael Merritt, were charged with assault occasioning actual bodily harm. But he denies assaulting anyone.
I categorically state that I did not assault anyone. On February 22, 2026, I attended an event at Newmarket Oval along with colleagues. During the event, I became aware of a commotion and observed two men on the ground in what appeared to be a fight. One of the men was my driver, and the other the complainant. I, along with other persons present, intervened and successfully separated the men. The complainant, who is known to me, subsequently left the location on a bicycle. My driver sought medical attention and is in possession of a medical report.
He says he went to the Savannah Lamar police station on Wednesday following reports on social media alleging that he was involved in the altercation. He adds that on arrival, he was advised by a constable that a report had been made alleging assault occasioning actual bodily harm. Mr. Vaz and his driver were granted bail in the sum of $80,000 each. Mr. Vaz ended his statement by saying he's made himself fully available to assist the police with the investigation. This is the second time the Central Westmoreland MP has found himself under public scrutiny. Last month, PNP councillor Julian Chang accused him of sexually harassing her. He denies the allegation. That matter is being investigated by the party. Vaz is also the second PNP politician to be charged with assault in the past 6 months. This follows an altercation on election day that led to Mayor of Spanish Town, Norman Scott, being charged with assault occasioning actual bodily harm and malicious destruction of property. Scott was accused of striking a woman in the face and damaging her tested glasses at a polling station in the parish. He pleaded not guilty to the charges. Mahiri Stewart for Nationwide News.
The National Water Commission, NWC,